Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been about a week since we did our tomatoes and our pepper plants, and everything is growing out real nicely, especially with the tomato plants. They're within that 7 or 6 to 10 days. We're within that range, so everything is sprouted and it's looking really good. So it's now time to start backing things off and harden the plants up to make sure that they're able to survive in here, and then also make sure that they have enough moisture and they're growing out real nicely. So I'll show you how to do that, and then we're going to be planting our next phase of plants. We have a lot of new stuff that just came in, so we're gonna get that stuff planted. I'll go over some of that while we get everything going. This is gonna be a pretty quick episode because we have a lot of stuff going on. And then we're gonna go out to the garden and direct sow a couple of our plants. So we're gonna get started on that. I'll show you how things are going. The first batch of seeds we're growing today will be started directly in our 4-inch pots. We are starting with Freckles romaine lettuce. Next we have our giant Marconi peppers, a sweet variety we're going to be using for stuffed peppers. Then a new spicy pepper, lemon drop peppers, a South American variety with a Scoville heat unit of about 15,000 to 30,000, which is a little bit milder than a cayenne pepper. Then we have 2 pots of kohlrabi, which will be taking over where the spicy peppers were last year. Then our Genovese basil. And lastly is our spearmint, which we'll be using to make adult beverages all summer. Then we'll top it all with soil, vermiculite, and water it all in. Since the dome won't fit on top, we'll be wrapping it up in cellophane. And then a seed tray. We are starting with our Amish paste tomatoes, which yields a high number of medium-sized, thick-walled Roma-style tomatoes. Next we have our Moneymaker tomatoes, which will produce vines up to 6 feet long that we will be trellising using our arch trellises and produce a flavor-packed 4 to 6 ounce tomato. Tomato varieties is San Marzano tomato, a paste tomato known for high production and versatility, especially great for canning, making sauces, and pastes. Moving on to our cucumbers with the Marketer Cucumber First, which are high yielding, producing a 6 to 8 inch fruit, great for eating raw or pickling. We're bringing back our Wisconsin SMR pickling cucumbers. It vines, but it doesn't take up too much space, not like the national pickling cucumber we did last year, but it consistently produces the whole season. Last cucumber variety is our Space Master bush cucumber. They're great for small spaces and perfect for slicing. And the last thing are more jalapenos. This variety is an early pepper, which will hopefully, as the name suggests, give me an early yield. Alright guys, so I said I was going to go outside and do a little bit of direct sow, but right now it's raining. I looked at the forecast, it's supposed to rain tomorrow too, and then we're supposed to get snow on Wednesday. So I think I'm going to hold off on planting the direct sow stuff in the workable soil until Thursday or Friday. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.